In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split, view the history of, and delete a single shift when viewing more than one location's schedules at a time. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected, then select Schedules. You should arrive at your organization's daily schedule. To split a shift, click on that shift. Then select Split, and select when I would like to split this shift. Let's say I have an employee available to work the first 3 hours of this shift, so I'm going to split this by clicking on the clock and choosing 2. If you're happy with where you're splitting the shift, click Split Shift. And now that shift has been split in 2. To view the history of the shift, click on that shift. Then select History. Now you can see all of the changes that were made. I can see when the shift was updated, what edit was made, who made the change, and the reason. Also in this menu, I can see who is assigned to the shift, currently no one, the location, the station, the date, the start time, and the total number of hours. Let's say that I don't need this first half of the shift anymore. I can click on Edit and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this shift. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I will choose OK. And now that first half of the shift has been deleted. That's how you can split, view the history of, and delete a single shift when viewing multiple location schedules at a time. Check out the next video to learn how to use the filter when viewing more than one schedule at a time to help you edit multiple shifts at once.